So we'll start drawing the respiratory system by drawing the nose, then the mouth, and we'll complete the face look like this. Once you complete the face look, we'll start drawing the nasal cavity. The nasal cavity from the pharynx we drew till the esophagus. Now the nasal cavity is separated from the oral cavity in the mouth by a hard palate which you can feel by your tongue. This is the oral cavity. So here you'll have the after pharynx, you'll be having the larynx. The top flap like structure is called epiglottis in larynx. Now from the larynx we'll go into the windpipe. The windpipe is further divided into two parts which are called as bronchi. Plural is bronchi, singular is bronchus. They joined at carina, right? Then yes, each bronchus is further divided into many tiny branches called as bronchioles. Okay, now we'll start drawing the bronchioles from each bronchus. Just remember, every bronchus will go into one lung, right? Now let's start drawing the bronchioles. Bronchioles are the tiny tube-like structures like this. Yes. I'm not drawing the alveolar sacs or the alveoli here. You can draw it from the textbook as well, because in our lungs we don't actually have bag like structures. Means every bronchiole ends into a bag like structure from inside. You can't see it like a correct ball from outside. That's why I'm not mentioning the alveolar sacs diagram, but you can add it from the textbook. Okay, you'll get an idea how the bronchioles are there, how the alveoli and alveolar sacs are there. I'll keep a real video of lungs, bronchioles and alveoli. Then you'll get an idea of how it will be. So please continue drawing the diagram like this and label them accordingly. Okay, thank you. So after drawing the right and left lungs, here I did both of them equally, but actually the right lung will be larger and the left one will be smaller. And both the lungs are actually covered by the pleural membrane, which will have the pleural fluid, which will keep the lungs moist all the time, right? And later we have to cover the trachea with the cartilaginous rings which support the trachea. See, actually the trachea should extend little further in the throat also. Okay, I just made it little down. Bronchus also will have the cartilaginous rings, but bronchioles will not have any cartilaginous rings. Okay, and down to the lungs we have the muscular sheet called diaphragm, which is important in respiration.